I'm on a mission to find every bird in the world. So I ventured to a lake in the Amazon rainforest that was so majestic, I heard there was ice cream as well as birds.
Apparently this place sells ice cream.
What?
Is there ice cream there?
Ice cream here?
Apparently someone said there's ice cream there.
As we trekked through the Amazon rainforest, there was no sign of ice cream and no sign of birds.
This is the Titanic. Don't say that.
We boarded the Titanic hoping for a better ending. After all, they didn't spot any birds. As we floated down the Erie Lake, our hopes started to rise.
Tell me about that shot.
And we finally made it to paradise.
So cute.
There was wildlife everywhere. A beautiful distraction.
Guys, bird on the left.
As the sun went down, we were all tired. So we called it a day knowing we got what we came for.